Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the 8051 microcontroller evolution. The evolution of microcontroller is starting from the microprocessor. 8051 is one of the first and most popular microcontroller in Intel family. It is represented as Intel MCS51. The Intel is introduced in the 8051 microcontroller in the year of 1981. Initially, the 8051 microcontroller came out with the N-type metal oxide semiconductor based technology. After that, it is improved to complementary metal oxide semiconductor technology. It is nothing but CMOS technology. So, the microcontrollers were named as 80C51. Here, the C represented as the CMOS technology. And normally the Intel 8051 microcontroller is a 8-bit microcontroller, which means that it has a data bus of 8-bit. Therefore, it can process 8 bits at a time. It is most widely used of embedded systems like robotics, remote controls, and the automotive industry, telecom applications, power tools, and etc. The comparison of microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor having the external peripherals for input-output communication, but the microcontroller having everything in a single chip. So it has arithmetic logic unit, interrupt circuits, clock circuit, input-output ports, internal RAM, registers, accumulator, stack pointer, everything is fixed in a single chip. So the first main difference of microprocessor and microcontroller is it is a general purpose device. It is called as a CPU. But the microcontroller is a specific application oriented device. So it is everything in a single chip computer. Microprocessor do not contain on-chip input-output ports, timers, memories because these are connected with externally. But in microcontroller, it includes RAM, ROM, serial communication, and timers, interrupt, everything in a single chip. And the microprocessors are most commonly used as a CPU in microcomputer systems, but the microcontrollers are used in small, minimum component designs performing control-oriented applications. And microprocessor instructions are mainly nipple and byte addressable one. But the microcontroller instructions are both bit addressable as well as byte addressable one. Microprocessor instruction sets are mainly intended for catering the large volumes of data, but microcontroller instruction sets catering the control of inputs and outputs. And the design of microprocessor system is complex and expensive. Compared to microcontroller system design is rather than simple and cost-effective one. Instruction set of microprocessor is complex with large number of instruction sets, but in 8051 microcontroller, it is a simple instruction set, and for example, PIC microcontrollers having only 35 instructions. A microprocessor has 0 status flag, but microcontroller has no 0 flag. So, for the evolution of microcontroller, it is categorized into first generation in 1970s. It is named as the birth of microcontrollers. The first microcontroller was introduced by Texas Instruments in 1971. It is named as the TMS-1000. The main feature of this first generation microcontroller is the 4-bit processor, and it is integrated with ROM, RAM, CPU and input-output ports. And initially it is used in calculators and simple embedded systems. The main key examples are Intel 8048 in 1976. It is used in keyboard applications. And the second generation is started from 1980s. It has the enhanced capabilities from the first generation of 8051. So it is improved architecture, the introduction, the timers ADC UART integrated. Popular models are